Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use group invite links on Instagram. Let's have a look. Now in Instagram, user can easily encourage others to join their conversation. First, open Instagram app. From home feed, tap messenger icon on top right. Open the desired group chat. Tap the group name at the top of the screen. Under the chat settings, tap Invite Link. Turn on Invite Link. Anyone can join your group with this link. From here, you can tap Copy to copy the link, or you can tap Send in Instagram to send the invite link to other Instagram users. You can also tap Reset if you want to generate a new invite link for the chat. So copy the link and share with others. You can send this link using other media. People can easily join these conversations using this link. So these are the steps to use group invite links on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.